Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to talk about an open source package called AI Suite, which helps us to work with multiple generative AI providers. Let's dive in. AI Suite provides a simple but unified interface to handle multiple large language models such as OpenAI, Azure, Google, as well as new providers. It provides a standard interface to handle them all of the LLM models. Let's see how we can use AI Suite. AI Suite works very similar to OpenAI API. If you have ever used OpenAI API, then you feel right at home. But instead of rewriting the code again and again with multiple models, you can just use AI Suite, which helps you to change from one model to another with a single line of code. For example, if you want to change the model from OpenAI's API to Claude, then it's just updating a single string. Let's see how we can use AI Suite to work with multiple providers. Or to install the package, or you can specifically install a model within it. So AI Suite Anthropic. This install AI Suite along with Anthropic's library, and this installs, so pip install. If you install all the provider specific libraries will be installed. And to get started, you will need API keys for the providers you intend to use, and you will need to install the provider specific library either separately or when installing AI Suite. So API, I think it's very similar to OpenAI API. It's very much. You just need to change the string when you're moving from OpenAI, for example, the OpenAI model to Claude. Let's see how we can use it practically. Here is a simple example of how to use AI Suite. Imported AI Suite and have created a Streamline application. So here there are two keys. One is OpenAI key and Hugging Face token. It gets the key from the environment and sets to the OS. And this is how we declare the client, AI dot client. These are the models that we are going to use. One is OpenAI and GPT-4o and Hugging Face Mistral AI. And you just give the model names and models. You can switch between the models GPT and Hugging Face. Here I have asked a simple question, respond in pirate English. What is generative AI? So it's going to answer how a parrot answers. So here is a short Streamlit title and selected model. You can able to choose the models, and it automatically picks and executes the model with this response and the API key. Here is a model selected key and messages and temperature. Here, once we get the response, so responses can be displayed from the choices, message.content. So let's execute this. So here is a drop down for two models. You can select any of these, OpenAI GPT-4 and Hugging Face. Let it run. So that's the response from OpenAI model. Generative AI. So it is answering how a parrot answers. Artificial intelligence that be able to create new contents like text, images, music, or even code by learning patterns from existing data. So let's switch to another model, Hugging Face. Let's see. So our Mate generative AI be a type of artificial intelligence that can create content. So this is how we can use AI Suite, which is a model with just it's very similar to updating a string, just like this. So you are going to have here is a list of models that we have used, and it's just you can add any of the models that the AI Suite supports, including OpenAI, Hugging Face, or it could be Claude, Google, AWS, any of these models. So these are the models that AI Suite is currently supporting. So I hope you found this video really helpful. Like the video, and if you have any comments, write it in our comment section. Thank you. I hope you like this video. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up. If you have any comments, write it in our comment section. Stay tuned for exciting science videos by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.
Subscribe and stay tuned for more AI insights.